In this video, we'll learn how to check the last return value of a command in Bash on Ubuntu. This is useful when you want to know if a command worked or failed. Every time you run a command in the terminal, Bash stores a return value. This value is also called the exit status. A return value of 0 means success. Any other number means the command failed. This return value can be checked using a simple built-in variable in Bash. To see that value, open your terminal and use this. $. Let's try it. First, run a command. ls. Now check the return value. $. You should see 0. Try a command that fails. ls no_folder. This folder doesn't exist, so the command will return an error. To check the return value, run $. This time, the number is not 0. That means the last command failed. That's how you check the last return value in Bash. Thanks for watching.